The EU's groundbreaking AI Act is rolling out. Beginning in early August 2025, new general-purpose AI models must meet strict transparency, copyright and safety obligations. It's the start of a multi-year compliance journey that stretches to 2027. As of September August 2025, all new GPAI models in Europe must comply immediately. Providers need to publish an accessible summary of the training data and maintain detailed documentation for authorities and users. A year later, on the 2nd of August 2026, the Commission's full enforcement powers kick in. Regulators can request documentation, order risk mitigation measures, and impose penalties when providers fall short. Older models get extra time. GPAI systems placed on the market before August 2025 must be compliant by 2nd of August 2027. They don't need to be retrained when that's infeasible, as long as they document any limitations. Lawmakers say transparency is at the heart of the Act. Providers must publish a clear summary of their training data through a standard template and maintain documentation for the AI office and downstream users. Respect for copyright is non-negotiable. Providers need a policy that adheres to the EU's 2019 Copyright Directive throughout the model's lifecycle, even for open-source models. Large foundation models capable of 1023 to 1025 FLOP must undergo a systemic risk assessment, mitigate any vulnerabilities, and proactively notify the AI office. On the 10th of July 2025, the Commission released a voluntary code of practice covering transparency, copyright, and safety. Signing the code demonstrates good faith compliance and reduces administrative burdens. Breaking the rules comes at a cost. Providers can be fined up to $15 million or 3% of global revenue, with some categories reaching $35 million or 7%. The size of the penalty depends on the seriousness and duration of the breach. Executive Vice President Henna Virkkunen says this isn't just bureaucracy, and that the Act will make AI systems more transparent, safe, and accountable in our daily lives. It ensures users know how models are trained, that copyright is respected, and that systemic risks are evaluated. Virkkunen welcomes the final code of practice and invites providers to join. She stresses that Europe wants advanced AI models that are both innovative and safe, encouraging companies worldwide to document their training, comply with EU copyright, and engage with the new AI office. Like and follow for more.